Hey folks, welcome back to Road Hard Restorations. In this video, I pick up not one, but two new Duster project cars. All right, it is currently 108 degrees right now, and trying to get my trailer back. I just cleared some room in the garage. I parked the Camaro out on the side there, put a cover over it, because I need to get these engines off my trailer. This here is a late 70s 360. It's a 2-barrel out of an RV, kind of a van chassis, front end nose on it that it had on it, along with a 727. So this will be going into a future project. And it also has power steering pump, which I probably won't use on that car. Maybe I will, not sure yet. No more than thinking about it, I probably will. Yeah, full engine. Got a 2-barrel on it right now, but that can be easily fixed. Got a nice 5-blade fan on there. No fan clutch though, but that's okay. So yeah, I'll show you the project car that this is going to be going in. We also have the 383 that I got from Dave at Rust Bucket Restos. This one will need to be completely gone through, just kind of cleaned up, inspected, probably just a dingle ball hone. We'll see if we're going to need rings or bearings or anything, but I'm hoping to just kind of, just clean it up and put it back together. So let me show you the cars that these motors are going to go in. Here's my 70 Duster bracket car. The drag car was supposed to get started this year, get this back on the road. If you haven't seen this before, I mean, I got several videos on it of tear down and everything else, and poor thing's just been sitting. Someday, because I don't have enough projects, So this here is a 73 Duster. Absolutely no running gear under it whatsoever. Not even a K-frame. No suspension. Where's the lever? There it is. Nothing. Just a shell. But pretty straight, except for this piece. And rust-free. The only real damage, it's got a dent on the other quarter panel, but I know a body man. And this right here, I don't know, obviously this trunklet's been changed, but this whole panel, I mean, this is all just booger welded, patched. I mean, it's horrible. I don't know what the heck's going on there, but I got a plan for that too. Let me show you inside. So, got a full interior. Heck, we even have a headliner, what's left of it. But it's otherwise complete. Front seat, back seat, package tray, all the interior trim panels, everything's there. Except for the dash pad, but those are always wasted anyway, being an Arizona car. But automatic, I mean, steering wheel is in great shape, more or less. Seat could use some help, but man, this thing's good. It's got a grill. So this is gonna get the 360 and the 727. I gotta find a rear end for this. Do not have a rear end for this car at all. The big block is going in this thing, 1970. This I got from Jeremy at Shade Tree Vintage Auto, and it also has no running gear at all. I also need a rear end for this, but as you can see, it's a 70, a Valiant Duster. This is sassy grass. It needs a floor pan put in, but it's got a floor pan, so really excited about getting into this one. I am really at odds as whether I should actually repaint this car or leave it kind of ratty. And it does have some significant damage to a couple of the panels, but overall not too bad. I'll have to grind all that out. That's just ugly. I might just leave it like that. What do you guys think? Quarter panels beat up a little bit. Now you've probably seen this car on his channel. Him and his buddies were working in the garage, kind of taking it apart, getting ready to restore it. But he was going to leave the the exterior alone and just restore the interior and the underpinnings and the engine compartment and everything, I may just do the same thing. So this one is going to get the big block with a tunnel ram. So I want this thing to be obnoxious. I want that 70s, you know, maybe a stink bug look a little bit, and just be just a rowdy street machine to have fun with. Take it to events and stuff. Yeah, so that's what this one's getting. We have this 74 here. I can use some of these suspension parts on the green duster. It's this little 7 1/4 rear end, so that's just for roller, but it's got a good rear body panel. So I will cut this out of here and put it on that one there, and then yeah, this one will just get a quickie, inexpensive paint job. I don't know, might just do a Rust-Oleum paint job on it, or just a single stage. It's got some dents in the quarter panel, some dents and dings on the door, but overall not too bad. Looks like, I don't know, it almost looks like a bullet that didn't go through. I don't know. It's dented pretty good though. Man, why are they always dented in the front of the fenders? Yeah, this one's boogered up too. But like I said, overall, man, this thing's great shape. It's got some dents on the roof. It's as they get, as people stack stuff on top of them. So I don't have much backstory on this one, other than it was sitting on top of a 4x4 chassis destined to be one of those things. Fortunately, it was rescued off the 4x4 chassis before anything was hacked up or cut and welded to the frame or anything like that. So from what I can tell from underneath, everything's still stock and original. Nothing's been, you know, hacked out and you know, brackets welded to it or anything. So just need to find axles for this one. And for this one, I'm actually thinking of scouring the local junkyard for a Dana 60 for the big block car. And last time I was there about a year ago, there was a big old Chrysler land yacht that had a 742 case. Is that the number? Anyway, an 8 3/4, not the 489 case, but one of the other ones. And you know, that'd be perfect for this thing. A little 360 with a 8 3/4. You put some 3.0 gears in there and just make it a good cruiser, you know. So yeah, that's what we got going on. So anyway, let me get back over to those engines. We'll get those off the trailer so we can have that back. All right, let's get this 360 off of here. Get this on film so when it, you know, comes crashing to the ground and smashes my trailer and busts my concrete, I'll have it on video. Now this 360 I picked up from the guy that I saw had it listed on Marketplace. Turns out I knew him, so that was cool. And we pulled it out of the motorhome. I didn't get any footage of that, but here's a picture of the motorhome we got it out of. Oh shoot, I forgot to blow all the rat crap off of here before I did this. Oh well. Need to raise this up and then pull the trailer out. Alrighty then. Well, I was gonna pull the trailer out, but I think I can just pull this out. All right. Nah, it's not sketchy at all. And did I mention it's 108 degrees today? Wowzers, this thing is heavy. Holy criminy. All right, hopefully this is still recording. It's saying my device is overheating. Did I mention it's 108 degrees right now? What you guys missed is hook this up to the engine, trying to pull it back. It's just hard to roll it on here. Going a little bit uphill and the wood's just kind of soft, so to speak. For the wheels to roll, it's just hard to budge. So I just hooked the come along to it and just brought it over. So now what I'm going to do I'm going to turn the hoist around, lift it up from the other side, pull it all the way to the end, set it down, at least maybe right here. That way I can reach it with this. I'll disconnect it again, take it off, bring it around onto the floor here where I can actually get it off the trailer that way. So it's a pain in the butt when you don't have a paved driveway. All of this would be completely unnecessary if I had a paved driveway, but now I have all gravel. So with an engine, this thing barely doesn't even roll without an engine, let alone with an engine in the gravel. So anyway, enough yakking. Got it kind of close to the edge here. All right, that should do it. Let's set this down here. I think this weekend I'll pick up a engine stand from the store. I messaged a few people on Marketplace, and you know how that goes. Nobody ever responds. So let me park the trailer, and then I'll have my truck back. Close the door and turn the air on because it is bloody hot in here. So I did wind up buying an engine stand from the auto parts store because nobody on Marketplace seems to really want to sell their junk, so they never respond. Go figure. But anyway, there it is in all its glory. I cannot wait to get this thing in the 70 Duster. This thing is going to be freaking awesome. Got the 360 under the bench, kind of on standby until we get to it. I did wind up going to the boneyard and picked up an 8 3/4. It is a 741 case. I think it's got like some 271 gears or something in it. It's open differential, and so those will get torn down when ready to build that car. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.